In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Clipchamp platform like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or just getting started, understanding how to effectively manage your media within Clipchamp can significantly enhance your creative projects. So let's dive in. The first step is to head over to Clipchamp. Open your preferred web browser and select your search engine. Type Clipchamp into the search bar and hit enter. Once the search results load, click on the link to the Clipchamp website. When you arrive at Clipchamp's homepage, you will need to log in or sign up if you haven't already done so. After successfully entering your credentials or creating a new account, you will find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your creative hub where all your video projects come to life. Now let's move on to accessing your media. Navigate to the Content Library section, which is the reservoir for all the media you'll be working with. Here, you have the opportunity to unleash your creativity. In the library, you'll find various categories, and today, our focus will be on the Shapes category. Scroll through the featured options, and when you land on Shapes, give it a click. You'll notice a diverse collection of shapes at your disposal. These shapes are great for visual storytelling, adding dynamic elements to your videos, or even for making instructional content more engaging. Feel free to explore and familiarize yourself with the different shape varieties offered. Once you've selected a shape, it's time to incorporate it into your media project. You can drag and drop the selected shape onto your timeline, customizing its size or color to suit your video's aesthetic. This is a fantastic way to add personality and flair to your videos, so let your imagination run wild. With these steps, you've successfully learned how to navigate through Clipchamp's features, access your media, and add new dynamic components to your video projects. Practice makes perfect, so I recommend exploring other features Clipchamp has to offer to further boost your video editing skills. Remember, each experiment with these tools is a new learning opportunity, so keep experimenting, keep editing, and most importantly, enjoy the creative process. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering your digital tools. Keep creating amazing content, and I'll see you in the next video.